Lighting just got smarter in 2025. Whether you're setting the mood or syncing lights with your smart home, these RGB smart bulbs with voice control are game changers. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 smart bulbs that combine vibrant colors, hands-free control, and next-gen features. Ready to upgrade your space with just your voice? Let's dive in. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. Sengold Wi-Fi Color Changing Bulb. When I first screwed in the Sengold Wi-Fi Color Changing Bulb, setup couldn't have been simpler. Open the Sengold Home app, scan the QR code, and you're online. No separate hub required. The 800 lumen brightness delivers solid output for small to medium rooms, and the full RGB spectrum lets you dial in almost any shade. I did notice a slight half-second lag when calling up colors via Alexa, but fades and transitions are buttery smooth. For under $30, it's perfect if you want straightforward Wi-Fi control without extra hardware. Number 4. Nano Leaf Essentials A19. If you already own a thread-enabled hub, like the HomePod Mini, this bulb is lightning fast, colors pop with accuracy, and the circadian lighting presets automatically shift from cool morning daylight to warm evening amber. On Bluetooth alone, range tops out around 30 feet, but in thread mesh, it never missed a command. Its 1100 lumens fill larger rooms, and the premium feel justifies the slightly higher price tag. Number 3. TP-Link Casa Smart Bulb. The TP-Link Casa Smart Bulb offers both standalone Wi-Fi and Zigbee with the Casa hub. I tested it on Wi-Fi first. Setup was intuitive, and the Casa app's energy usage dashboard is a neat bonus. Switching to Zigbee with the hub unlocked near-instant responses and mesh stability. Colors are vivid, whites are clean, and integrations with IFTTT and SmartThings make automations a breeze. It's a solid mid-range pick, especially if you love detailed. Power reports. Number 2. Gavi Smart Light Bulb. For those who crave party mode, the Gavi Smart Light Bulb is a winner. In Bluetooth mode, you get funky music sync effects and DIY gradient scenes. Switching to Wi-Fi restricts you to static colors and whites, but still works reliably. The app is bursting with pre-built scene templates, rainbow fades, pulse beats, holiday themes, you name it. Keep in mind the Bluetooth range tops out quickly, so for room-wide control, you'll need the Wi-Fi option. Number 1. Philips Hue A19 LED. Last but not least, the Philips Hue A19. Yes, you need the Hue bridge, but the payoff is enormous. Rock-solid Zigbee mesh, unmatched color depth, and one of the widest accessory ecosystems ever built. I paired it with Hue Sync on my PC for ambient gaming backlighting, and the fluidity was impressive. Daylight whites hit 8000K crisply, while deep reds and purples retain richness. It's the priciest option, but if you're serious about smart lighting, it's the gold standard. Thanks for watching. If one of these smart bulbs caught your eye, check out the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home reviews. Light up your life the smart way. See you in the next one.